My senior design project is a passion project close to my heart. It's to convert my 1979 Volkswagen bus from gas to electric power. It's a group of 14 of us, all working over the course of the year 2020, graduating in December, to work on this project. Came into minds really hoping I could find a way to integrate this concept I had into my curriculum. I thought that the best way to recharge this legacy was really to improve its performance, its reliability, and also its relevance going forward in the future years by converting it to electric.
Oh man, it's definitely hard to describe how it felt when we turned on the motor. Once we had everything hooked up inside the bus, we jacked up the rear, got the tires spinning, and that was just this magic moment of, guys, it's actually working. You know, everyone's really poured their heart and soul into this, and to have it come to fruition in such a beautiful way was really powerful.